hello to our beautiful audience. Today I am with Kürşat here. How are you, Kürşat?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, I'm doing well.
Today we came to see this magnificent project in Riva, and we are at the sale office. Let's start with maquette. Can you help us for that?
Of course, for sure.
Okay, let's go.
do that. Today here we are at this charming coastal town called Beykoz, and this project is Düşler Vadisi. They start from independent duplex, triplex, and 180 to 490 square meters. The Power International is your gateway to the luxurious life.
Yes, Sunny, we are at the ultra luxury In Touch with Nature villa project in Istanbul. This project is Düşler Vadisi, as you know, and Düşler Vadisi's meaning in English is the Valley of the Dreams. As the name suggests, this project offers you dream life. And this project is away from the city center, but you can reach the city center in 30 minutes.
Wow, that's great. So now we are in the garden. Here you can spend your beautiful, precious time with your family, sunbathing, chill, or I don't know, gardening, anything that you can do. So let's go through the house and introduce the other parts.
Okay, let's examine.
Ladies first.
Yes.
Okay. So we can directly enter from the garden to the living room. And this is the dining room actually. So you can gather with your family here and spend your time. And let me not talk about, you know, this architecture that we have here. But this is really a truly fantabulous design, and it's big enough, spacious enough for your guests and your full family. What do you think?
Yes, at this floor we have a living room, kitchen and laundry room and little toilets. Let's examine the kitchen.
Okay.
These sliding doors are too useful for using the area well. Now we are at my favorite place in a house, kitchen. This island kitchen is too modern, and this architectural touch is really charming me. At the store, you can go to the garden. At the summer days, you can make your breakfast here.
Do you like exercising? I prefer the elevator. It has a fancy elevator to the outside. Let's go upstairs. Thank you.
This is the entrance to the house. We use the elevator for coming here. By the way, the house's total square meter is 212 and it has 5 rooms, 3 beds and toilet. Let's examine this child's room.
Okay, yeah, as you can see, we have marble painting on the wall. So it can be a children's room or any other alternatives because of the view and the sun. So let's go to other parts. So I guess this is the main bathroom here because it's just located between the 3 other rooms. Let's go to the main bedroom.
I think it's gonna be main or guest bedroom. As you can see, it's wide open and the walls are wooden. If you can touch, you can understand the quality. And here we have a glass wardrobe. It's too stylish.
This is the last room of this flat, so we can use it as a home office, study room, or library. And as all other luxurious places. It has a smart panel, so you can change everything and manage by one touch.
Yeah, also it has a very good lake and forest view. Yes, this is the third floor of this villa. Here we have a studying table. Right the next table there is a stand. You can make your coffee or your tea and focus to your work.
Okay, we are in a villa. Let's not talk about working here. Let's go to the main and master bedroom. Here we have the biggest toilet. Look at the wardrobes. Isn't that wonderful? And the peace in this place, and the window and the ceilings, everything about this bedroom is perfect.
Düşler Vadisi project is basically located in Riva, Beykoz. It's 20 minutes by walking to the Black Sea and 5 minutes to the third bridge. And what do you think about this all social facilities?
Like even more than huge, actually. So look at the fields and courts that we have for sports, different kind of basketball, volleyball, and I think that they have something for horse. And the gym, as you can see, and the pool and the outdoor indoor.
It's actually synthetic beach. They
Oh,
made their own beach.
Wow,
It's
I
different.
didn't know that.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Okay, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we was at this great concept project.
And what was our slogan?
Discover the power of investment.